Hi, I'm Tanya Balducci, a fire inspector with Regional Emergency Services. Today we're talking about carbon monoxide safety. Carbon monoxide is an invisible, odorless gas. It can cause dizziness, nausea, headaches, and confusion. Breathing in too much can be fatal. Carbon monoxide is created when fuels such as gasoline, wood, natural gas, and propane burn incompletely. In your home, cooking equipment that burns fuel can be a source of carbon monoxide. You should install carbon monoxide alarms outside each sleeping room in your home. Place the alarm in a central location. Some alarms can be plugged in to a wall outlet. If your alarms are powered only by batteries, you can mount them on the wall or the ceiling. You should test your carbon monoxide alarm every month by pressing the test button. Carbon monoxide alarm batteries should be replaced twice a year or as recommended by the manufacturer. Carbon monoxide alarms expire 7 to 10 years from the date of manufacture. For more information about carbon monoxide alarms, please visit rmwb.ca/hfsp.